First, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company is IOEG Technology Screens. We're doing this video because, as I told you before, we've had some problems with a YouTuber by the name of Crow1176 who has committed a great deal of crimes against our business and against our friends and family. He's also brought other individuals on it when working with him to basically attack our business and our company. So we went down and we got the form for what they call County of Lehigh private criminal complaint form. Now, we filled one of these forms out already. That was about a couple months back. That was for other stuff he was doing. We had to go fill out another form for the fact that he has been bombarding us with emails and text messages with threats. So now we have another form we have to fill out. So it's a basic, pretty easy form to fill out that we have to do here. Fernando has been sending us messages stating that we are threatening him. Fernando, these are not threats. These are actually promises. You went out and you committed crimes against our business, and what we're doing is we're basically taking care of what needs to be necessary done to get you in court. Unfortunately, because of your situation, you won't make it there. All right, so this is what I have to fill out here. I'm not going to do this here, just gives you an idea what the form looks like. This is where I have to put down date. I have to get my ink pen because my ink pen pretty much died on me. So we have to get another ink pen tomorrow. I'll fill out tomorrow, fill it right there, and submit this in. My name, my address, date of time of incident, which we are going to put tomorrow because we're still receiving email and text messages from him. Date or time of incident, we have all that right there. Location of incident, we have all that. Defendant's name, that would be him. That would be his name here. His address, let me see. Let's see, things are 18. Yeah, he's definitely that. How do you know the defendant? We can explain exactly how long this guy has been attacking our business. Online, he's reached out to us to try to figure out how our products are made. How do you know the defendant? Of course, that'll be right there. We explain it right there. And was the police notified? Yes, we do have police documents. Incident report numbers showing that we had to contact Allentown Police multiple times for this individual. Let me see, police. Depending to police, date and officers' names. Well, we got all that, so we're good on that. We have the officers involved in that right there. So that's good. We have that there. Let me see. Verification, the fact, that's a form. Are true. So yeah, we have all this here. We literally have everything here backing up what we said in our documents. We have all that. Let me set this here. I am going to go get my pamphlet, my giant album folder. I have a friend. I'm at his law office right now, and we're going over all these documents. This is the document here. That's it right there. So we are to fill out this part right here. We have to put this information in here, as we did with Derek. And then this is going to be their part right here of the form. Yeah, they fill this part right here. This is their form. This is part of the courts. So Fernando was not playing with you. I sat there and told you we have forms. I already filled out the one for Williams while I was there. This is the second one we have for him, because I said we had to fill 2 of these out because one was the emails with the threats. All right, yeah, criminal complaint. This would be for them. Yeah, this is them. This is definitely them. All right. Complaint. This would be all them. This is them. So I'm not filling out any of this. Good. I was looking through one of these. I was like, are we filling out all this? We're not filling out all this. Let me see. So when we get ours back, ours is going to have his name and my name on it. This is the part they're going to fill out. Alright. Application page. Yeah, this is all them. The attorney's number and application. Oh, it's going to be from them. Alright. Okay. Okay. Funding your account below additional pages if necessary. That's minors. There's some minors involved in this. Oh, we do have his license plate. I print out his license. I think we did print out his license plate. All right, we'll put that in there too. I'm gonna check that folder, see if we have his license plate in there too. They're gonna probably ask us to submit videos later on. We have enough of that. This is his folder. This is what I'm gonna have to finish. It's right here where I pull this out. This is what I explained to you, Fernandos. It's not a game at the end of the day. It really isn't. This is a very serious case we're bringing up on you. And again, this is not a joke. I know you want to believe it's a joke. I know you play these games at the end of the day. You believe it's a joke. It's not a joke. This is the application form that we got to file another one against you. So once we're finished this application, which is on this side right here, we're going to put all your information in here. All that's in there. The courts are going to go in and get ready to have a prosecutor look through all this evidence we have against you. It's more than enough. When they saw the photos, it's more than enough. That means you're going to have a court case, which means you're going to get a letter from the courts, and they're going to tell you when you have to come to court. This right here, we have you stalking the garage. Right here, this is where he was sending us and stalking the garage. And we literally have here an email. Let me put this right here for a minute. Because we said he was stalking us. This is an email that you sent to my account telling us that you know where we're at in the garage and so forth and so forth. Right there, that's you. You've been traced, living in the garage, so forth, so forth, so forth. Bum, bum, bum. And then here we have pictures of you stalking the garage, posting stuff on your accounts. You also have here where you were stalking the apartment. I let them know that your key name is Crow. We also have here the increase and decease order that was sent to you by an attorney of ours for the Crystal Edge Technology screen paint, which we told you to leave alone, but you continue to mess with the copyrights. This is from a law firm right there. Once it said Fernando, I back up everything that I do. This is electronic filing for Crystal Edge Technology Screens. That's our patent. There's our patent right there. Bum, 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 bum. Documents, cover sheets, all that. See, Fernando thinks everything is a joke. He thinks that we don't have this stuff, we're just talking. No, Fernando, we're not your friends at the end of the day. We back it up. This is where I had to file with intellectual property rights. This is involving the 3D printer he's using. This is the report we put in for that. For 3D printer, for theft, trademark violation with this intellectual group involving the United States government. There we go. Let me see, this is involving, yeah, this is all right here. Keywords inquiring right here. Business information, our business information there. So a lot of stuff I have to go through. This is involving the violation for using someone's intellectual properties without permission, which he was doing with the 3D printer. There's your information right there. This is from your LLC, all your information that we have for the courts. I'm gonna put this one here because I want to give that directly to them. Emails. These are the emails you were sending to us. Every single one of them has been documented for court. These are often emails he was sending to us with his threats. These are ready to go. Ooh, try a minute of live stream. That's what we have here. And there's a receipt from the process server right there. All right, well, that's basically about it. I gotta go. We'll see you in court, Fernando. Don't be late. Do show up. Thank you.